The next term here, family, is PMO. You want to understand what a PMO does. See, a PMO is a project management office. It's a central unit within an organization that sets the project management standards and practice. Here, you know I'm coming with the message. Message. When you're building, if you are someone that is part of building out a PMO or you're already currently leading a PMO, my recommendation, right or wrong, just what I was thinking of at the time, is ensure that you get engaged with the project managers to understand how projects are being led so you can be able to build out better standards and practices. I know what you're thinking, ED. You trying to be a smart addict. No, I'm not. I'm just being honest, is that was one of the things that I learned as when I was building out a PMO. I understand the certain requirements because not all requirements for the PMO is required for a certain project. As they say, what makes a project unique is it's unique. So a project doesn't have a basic, it has a start and end date, and it's unique. If that's the point, then why wouldn't we want to work with our project managers to understand their project and how we can ensure that we're protecting them as well as putting standards and practices in place that support